pampered his entire life too, so he knows nothing.
Hit the road, Bucky.
Oh my. Come on.
Ow!
So mean.
Whoa.
Oh god. Amazing.
I have so many questions.
Very talented squirrel.
Nothing? No.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Hey.
It's so funny.
You got my red background. Oh.
He brought it to himself. Oh, bro, you're done.
Hey.
Let's go, Sasha! Save his life!
Or not.
Take two! Take two!
Hey.
There we go.
The hero.
Don't worry, Your Highness, I gotcha.
I hate you.
Ah, come on. He's just here to help.
They tried, they tried. Oh,
Oh my.
At least it's wood, you know, so they're floating.
Yo, this is a nightmare.
This is literally the worst possible thing that could have happened.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me.
Waterfall.
Waterfall.
We're about to go over a huge
100%.
Yep,
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
100%.
most likely.
Yeah. Bring it on. Oh. Oh.
Accepting their fate.
What?
Oh my god! It had a little voice and everything.
What do you want? Oh, for me? Why, I don't know what to say. Hit the road, Bucky.
Bucky was so nice, he offered him his food, you know? From his chubby cheeks. So that's a Jaguar. That's another one. That's just three. There's a ton.
No, don't.
His eyes in the last shot.
Oh my god. They got crazy more and more, right? Oh, good for them. Pacha, you hero!
You're safe now.
Oh my god, they're dying. Well, this is dire.
We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep,
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
most likely.
Bring it on.
Not expect that response from him. Bring it on.
Okay, where am I?
Oh, God.
What do you want? Oh, for me? I don't know what to say.
Oh my god! He was just trying to help you! That's what you get. So, oh my god, he just dropped it.
Oh, yeah, he did.
Oh my god! Yes! This is hilarious. Oh? Pacha, you too good.
You're safe now.
This might be considered kind of a step backwards, wouldn't you say?
No, it's okay.
Oh.
I hate you.
Oh. I mean, he wasn't any better before. Oh. This might be worse.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep,
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
most likely.
Bring it on.
Bring it on. Oh, that's actually this thing's fun.
Yeah, until you hit the rocks.
Not a kiss.
Whatever you call it.
What the hell is wrong with you?
It's a squirrel.
Hey, squirrel.
What do you want?
What? Aww.
For me? Why?
Maybe you should make friends with it.
Yeah. Just be nice. He's...
Hit the road, Bucky.
Dude! Jerk! You idiot. Dude, you about to get eaten. Oh no! Wait!
Where'd he get a blind?
Wait, what? Wait, when did he learn how to do that? No. That squirrel is sadistic. Dude! Tommy!
All that for not accepting his acorn.
Hey, chunked the acorn on his head.
That too.
I can't blame him. So this movie's gonna be pretty short, isn't it? He's gonna get eaten now,
Yeah.
and yeah, that's it. Oh.
Oh, the kitty.
Yeah, you might.
That's a long way
What's he
down.
gonna do?
Maybe take your chance and jump.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, what?
Oh, okay. George of the jungle. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, there we go.
You're safe now.
Oh.
No. Oh, dude. Uh-oh.
I hate you.
Oh.
Yeah, he should just jumped.
Yeah, been better off. Oh, ow. Oh, I bet that hurt.
How did that not take him out?
I know, right? At least one of them's not face down in the water. Oh, I bet that hurt. I bet Poncho's right now like, why am I doing this?
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yes.
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
Yeah.
Most likely.
Bring it on.
Booyah! That was great.
It's a little dangerous if you don't know the way.
Good. Let him go on his own dangerous adventure.
There's no Kuzco. There's no Kuzco-topia.
Exactly. Problem took care of itself. Let him go snuggle up with some Jaguars.
Like, you
Let's see
ain't
how
never
he
been
feel.
outside your palace, so what you doing?
What do you want?
Jump on him, squirrel.
Oh, for me? Why? I don't know what to say. Hit the road.
Damn!
Bucky.
That's so rude.
There
Oh,
you go.
no.
Oh, there's
nah.
3 of 4. There's
Yeah. Your
there's like
boy
12
is
of 'em.
done.
What
Damn.
a bozo. You woke him up.
Like your boy bugging.
You're a better man than me, Pacha. I would have
Right?
left them hanging.
I would have did no type of Tarzan.
Take them out.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
Most likely.
Damn.
Bring it on.
Oh no. I would have literally died. I would not have survived that.
Oh, a leaf. Oh, it might attack me. What do you want? Oh, for me? Why? I don't know what to say.
Aw.
Hit the road, Bucky.
Whoa, that's so rude. He really has to stop being an a-hole. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I love that he made a llama too. Oh. Oh, they didn't wake up. Just too cocky. Oh, he came to save the Emperor. He really didn't need to. Oh, well, he didn't. Wow, he's the true hero of the story.
I don't know about you, but I'm getting all funned out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Lord.
Tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom.
Most likely.
Oh, Lord. Whew. It kind of looks fun. Like, they're on a tree. They're not going to sink. Hey! They're free.
What do you want?
Oh,
Why? I don't know what to say.
Aw, shucks.
Hit the road, Bucky.
Rude. I thought we made a friend. Ooh. Where do you get a balloon from?
No.
Oh. Run. Oh.
Killer Jaguar.
Here, I thought you were really about to do something.
You're safe now.
No.
It's okay. This is all right.
Oh no.
I hate you.
Hey, it's better than getting eaten alive by those thingies. Oh, I lied. Drowning's also a pretty bad way to go.
But I'm getting all funned out.
Uh-oh.
We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Oh god.
Bring it on.
Oh god.
Oh. Oh. Hello.
Oh, for me? Hit the road, Bucky.
Why would you do that? It was so nice to you for no reason. There, those Jaguars. What? Wait, how? Oh.
No, don't.
Oh. Yes, come on. It is Tarzan.
Might be considered kind of a step backwards, wouldn't you say?
No. It's okay.
I hate you.
Ooh. Honestly, this is a pretty good turnout.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall. Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Bring it on.
At least he's brave. Did you just see that? He was like, woohoo! Or maybe it's more about he's so arrogant that he doesn't think he can die. Hey, this guy's going through so much to save this guy that wants to destroy his home.
What do you want?
What?
He's sharing his acorn.
Hit the road, Bucky.
Why? Like, genuinely, why?
All he knows is being awful to anyone and not being punished for it.
Ow!
There is Panther. That one has a bone. That one has a bone. That one has more bones. It's a lot of them. A balloon. It's a llama. Oh.
This squirrel is insane, dude.
He's like, the hawk.
Oh,
that's what did it.
Dude. I still want him to have the worst things happen to him. Completely unlovable pile of character. Pacha, why? This is literally the solution to your problem. And the swing back.
Nice one, Tarzan.
Don't worry, Your Highness, I gotcha. You're safe now.
I think he would die from that before anything else.
This is not good.
Kuzco's about to die, eaten by jaguars. He's like, you messed this up for me. I don't know which way I'd want to go out less. Drowning tied to a log, being eaten by
As
panthers.
a llama?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Starting from square one? I mean, it's better than being eaten. You have a chance at least.
Bring it on.
He's like, this day could not get worse. That is massive.
As things get worse, you start having to just laugh it off, because, like, how bad can it get?
If I got turned into a llama and then chased by panthers and got tied to a log and fell off a waterfall, I think that by then my spirit would be broken.
Yeah.
Come on, go to bed. This ain't your problem.
Oh, it's a scary tree. I'm afraid. Please never find my way. I'm the Emperor. Hit the road, Bucky. Ow!
Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mm-hmm. Pop it. Rightfully so.
Ha!
Oh, here comes Tarzan.
Don't worry, Your Highness, I gotcha. You're safe now.
No, we're trapped now.
Uh-oh.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp
Yep.
rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Probably.
Bring it on.
You want to build a fancy swimming pool with a water slide and you don't know how to swim?
Oh, a squirrel. A squirrel.
Hit the road, Bucky.
Yeah, good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh! Ah! Ah! Why am I on everyone's side except Kuzco? Everyone's fucking Kuzco up and I appreciate it. I'm here for it. I need it. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Deserved. Yeah, you better run, llama boy. Well, now you just gotta jump. Oh! Yourself. Yeah. Why is he Tarzan?
You're safe now.
What tall ass tree was he swinging from?
Hey, this is all right. We can figure this out.
I like his positivity, but oh, you see that's death. That's just death. They're dead. Why is Kuzco's getting hit each time?
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Bring it on.
Bring it on! This is so fun. I do not remember this.
Why are you mad at him?
Oh, for me? Why, I don't know what to say. Hit the road, Bucky.
For what? He was just trying to offer you a nod. He was being nice. Yeah, this is called karma, babes. Like, not even like eventual karma, immediate karma. Oh my gosh. Kuzco, my lord. Get what you deserve. You're probably not gonna die because this whole movie's about you, but goddamn, it feels good for you to get a little bit of karma. Oh, so cute.
Killer Jaguar.
And Killer Cubs. Don't forget him. He's there too. Oh, Pacha. You're too nice for your own good.
I gotcha. You're safe now.
Oh.
To me, might be considered kind of a step backwards, wouldn't you?
I love how you're still picky, even when he's saving your damn life, babes.
Don't tell me. We're about to go over a huge waterfall.
Yep.
Sharp rocks at the bottom?
Most likely.
Bring it on.
Oh my god, that's huge. When he said huge, he actually meant huge. Dang. In real life, they would have died immediately.